Markets are sideways. Should you pause, stop, or keep going? Good morning, investors. I have been getting a lot of messages lately, and most of them sound something like this: MV, the market is not going up. It is not going down either. It is just stuck. What should I do? I hear you. And today I want to give you a very simple, very honest answer. But first, let me explain what is actually happening. What is a sideways market? Stock market moves in three ways. They go up, they go down, and sometimes they just move sideways. Up a little today, down a little tomorrow, going nowhere fast. This is called a consolidation phase. The market is taking a breath. It has run up quite a bit, and now it is absorbing news, global cues, interest rate decisions, quarterly results, government policy. It is waiting for the next clear trigger before deciding which way to move. This is completely normal. It happens in every single market cycle. It has happened before. It will happen again. Now let me tell you what you should not do. Do not stop your SIP. A sideways market is actually one of the best environments for a SIP investor. Every month, your money is buying units at stable, reasonable prices. You are not buying at peaks. You are quietly building your foundation, unit by unit, at sensible valuations. Do not move to FD until things become clearer. I have heard this so many times, and every time, by the time things become clearer, meaning when the market finally moves up and the news turns positive, it is too late. You have already missed the move. The best returns in any market cycle come in the first few weeks of recovery. If you are sitting in an FD, you will watch that happen from the sidelines. Do not check your portfolio every day. A sideways market with daily checking is a recipe for anxiety and bad decisions. Set your SIP. Look at your portfolio once a month at most. Let the process work. So what should you actually do right now? Keep your SIP running. No changes needed. If you have extra money sitting idle, a bonus, a matured FD, some savings you have not deployed, a sideways market is actually a good time to invest a lump sum. You are not buying at market peaks. That is a gift, not a problem. And use this quiet period productively. Review your portfolio. Update your nominations. Consider stepping up your SIP by 10%. The real lesson. Sideways market feels boring. Nothing seems to be happening. But boring is not bad in investing. Every unit your SIP buys during this quiet phase is waiting patiently for the market to move, and when it does, those units will deliver. My WealthWise Pinup Rule for today. In a sideways market, the right action is the most boring one. Do nothing. Keep your SIP going. Let time work. Are you feeling anxious about the current market? Tell me in the comments what you were thinking of doing, pausing, stopping, or moving to FD. Let me give you my honest view right there in the comments. I am MV Suresh, founder MV Suresh WealthWise. For regular mutual fund updates, connect with me on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Telegram. Wishing you good financial health. I'll be back tomorrow with a new tip. Till then, stay wealthwise.